Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on Instagram. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a professional account. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure your account is set to a professional account. If it's not, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and scroll down until you see Account, Types, and Tools. Tap on it. Now, select Switch Account Type. You'll see options for a personal account and a professional account. Tap on Switch to Professional Account and complete the steps. Once this is done, your account will be converted successfully. After switching to a professional account, the next step is to check if the live option is available. To do this, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. Here, you should see the live option. If you don't see the live feature, it's because Instagram requires your account to have at least 1,000 followers to go live. If your account has fewer than 1,000 followers, the live option won't be available. And that's it. That's how easy it is to go live on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.